Hey, it's Brittany Inns, your Houston realtor. So today we are on the southeast side of Houston looking at Centex Homes. Centex Homes has a community here called Clearwick, and Clearwick offers homes that are affordable for buyers under $300,000. And so I wanted to show you their model today. The homes that are available right now are all under $300,000. And so I think it's a good option. I think I want to make sure that you are as knowledgeable and informed as possible for homes that actually fit within your budget. And so that's what we're doing. We're looking at these style of homes that fit, and you can make a decision from there. But I think what I like about Centex is that's kind of their mission, is to make homes affordable. So if you're ready, let's go take a look at it. All right, here we are looking at the Springfield model. This is 1814 square feet. It's a 4-bed, 2.5 bath. 1.5 bath is on the first floor. All other bathrooms and bedrooms are up on the second. It's got a 2-car garage. No granite countertops here in this community. The next available community that does have granite is Forbes Crossing, about 15 minutes away. I hope you enjoy.